Hi everyone, welcome back to IoT Projects Ideas. In this video, we will learn interfacing ZMCT103C Current Sensor with Arduino. The ZMCT103C Current Sensor is a high-precision microcurrent transformer that can be used to measure AC mains current up to 5 amperes. It has a turns ratio of 1000:1, which means that a 5 ampere current through the primary will produce a 5 milliampere current in the secondary. This small current can be easily read by an Arduino. To connect the ZMCT103C to an Arduino, you will need the following components: ZMCT103C Current Sensor, Arduino Nano, 33 ohm resistor, 200k ohm resistor, 10 microfarad capacitor, jumper wires, breadboard. The ZMCT103C CT sensor can be used for a variety of applications, including metering electrical energy meters, AC voltage measurements, sensing overload current, ground fault detection, household electrical equipment, industrial applications, electrical testing equipment and relay protection. If you are looking for a high-precision current transformer for your next project, the ZMCT103C is a great option. ZMCT103C Arduino wiring diagram. First, connect the ZMCT103C to the breadboard as follows. To connect a CT to an Arduino, connect R6 as a border resistor, R8 and R7 as a potential divider, and C3 as a smoothing capacitor. To assemble the components for testing, you can use a breadboard. However, for a more reliable and professional solution, I recommend using a custom PCB. I have already designed a custom PCB specifically for this project. Download the Gerber file for the custom PCB from the link provided in the video description. Once you have the Gerber file, you can place an order for the PCB from PCBWay.com. PCBWay offers affordable prices and provides high-quality PCB manufacturing services. They have exciting offers such as a new user sign-up bonus and various coupons that you can take advantage of for your order. Here's the process to place an order for the custom PCB. Click on Instant Quote tab, click on Quick Order PCB, then upload the Gerber file of the PCB design to their website. Select the desired specification for your PCB, such as the number of layers, board thickness, and copper weight. Choose any additional options you require, such as surface finish and solder mask color. Proceed to checkout and make the payment using the available payment options. PCBWay will manufacture your custom PCB according to the provided design and specifications. Once the PCB is ready, it will be shipped to your specified address. When 5 amperes of current flow through the primary, this secondary current produces a voltage drop of 165 mV, calculated using Ohm's law. V equals to IR, where V is voltage, I is current, and R is resistance. The voltage from the bottom resistor, 165 mV, is added to the DC voltage from the potential divider, 2.5 volt, to give a total voltage of 2.665 volt, which is then fed to the analog pin A5 of the Arduino. To install the ZMCT103C current transformer, pass a mains wire, either phase or neutral, through the hole in the top of the device. Never pass current through the primary winding of the transformer when the secondary winding is open-circuited. This can damage the transformer. Always keep a board and resistor connected across the secondary winding of the transformer. This resistor helps to protect the transformer and ensures that it operates correctly. In this example, a board and resistor of 33 ohms is used. ZMCT103C Arduino code. This code uses the ImmuneLib library to measure the current flowing through a CT sensor connected to the A5 pin of an Arduino. The code first includes the ImmuneLib library and then creates an instance of the energy monitor class. The CT_ pin is set to analog pin 5, which is the pin connected to the CT sensor. The setup function initializes the serial port and then calibrates the Immon1 object. The loop function calculates the RMS current and then prints the apparent power and RMS current to the serial port. Applications projects using ZMCT103C. Overcurrent protection device. The ZMCT103C can be used to monitor the current and shut it down if the current exceeds a certain threshold. This can be used to protect appliances and equipment from damage due to overcurrent. Energy monitoring. The ZMCT103C can be used to measure the current in a circuit and calculate the power consumption. This can be used to monitor the energy usage of appliances and equipment. Load monitoring. The ZMCT103C can be used to measure the current in a circuit and calculate the load on the circuit. This can be used to monitor the load on appliances and equipment. Motor control. The ZMCT103C can be used to control the speed of a motor by controlling the current that is supplied to the motor. Current measurement. The ZMCT103C can be used to measure the current in a circuit for a variety of purposes, such as troubleshooting, calibration, and research. In conclusion, today we learned to interface the ZMCT103C current sensor with Arduino and monitor its data on the serial monitor. In the upcoming project, we will build a variety of applications such as overcurrent protection, energy monitoring, load monitoring, motor control, and current measurement. So stay tuned, do subscribe and share knowledge with your friends. Till then, bye-bye.